see it, but this is the park in Colquitt, Georgia. Trees are everywhere. Let's see what it looks like out here. Here's the walkway. Yeah. Trees on it. All the way down. Wonder if we can get through there. Or at least somewhat. Okay. Yeah. Could probably jump down right there, walk around, get to that spot. We'll try it. Check it out. There's a 27 right up there. This is the park. Good Lord. Uh-oh, I just heard a tree break out there. Trees everywhere. High winds. This bad boy's in my way. I think I'm gonna go through it though. That's right, I'm gonna man up and go through it. And probably lose my Mountain Dew. Hopefully not. That's where I gotta go. Yep. Gotta get there somehow.